Yo, what's up? My name is Leonard, aka Panuma. So, my good friends Yannick and Nick from TPS asked me to do a video on how to make vocal chops, and I thought, why not? First of all, you need a cool vocal. I use one from the pack Exotic, which you can find on the TPS website. Simple major chords will help us to get more creative later on. Let's listen.
Let me drive away. Let me drive away.
Alright, there are basically two ways to create chops. One way is to cut it right in your arrangement, just like this. The other way is to use one of the FL plugins. I use Fruity Slicer, but you can use other plugins as well, like SliceX for example. To create chops, simply drag and drop the vocal into Fruity Slicer. As you can see, we already chopped the vocal into many pieces. First step is to delete the pieces, and from that point on you can play around with the chops till you have something cool. I think I like this note. Don't forget to place the pattern as well into the arrangement. I would recommend to make it not too complicated, but in the end you can make whatever fits best to your track. Don't hesitate to play with the pitch knob on the notes as well. Once you've finished your chops, you can start with the processing. Start with an equalizer to get rid of harsh frequencies. I like the radio preset for this one. Works really well. Just some little addition. Alright. Some OTT compression makes the chops more tight and gives them a nice boost. A must-have is little altar boy. You can spice up your chops with some formant shifting, natural pitching and the drive knob. On top of that, we have some basic delay and reverb to fill up dry gaps in between. I like to have the time on 3 and a bit more feedback, low pass cutoff and less wet to make the vocal more prominent. For the reverb, I like the venue preset. Some more low cut and you're done. Some ping pong to get some more stereo separation. Nice. Don't hesitate to play with automations. This will give your arrangement more variation and works well with almost every effect. In this case, I use an automation on the formant knob of Little Altar Boy. Activate this one here, press the knob, right click, create automation clip. What is also nice is to use an automation on the drive fader of your reverb. So here we have a little arrangement, some little modulating on the automation. Let's listen to our finished project.
Let me drive away. Let me drive away.
I really hope you enjoyed my very first video ever. I had a lot of fun creating this, and if you're interested in more tropical sounds and vocals, make sure to check out the Exotic pack. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Cheers!